Okay, so in this video we learn about the concept on how we can access elements of a list of list. Okay, so we have a matrix and scores list of lists, so we'll use matrix. So for example, now for accessing any element, what we can do, we can use the index, right? So now this indexing works normal way it works for a list. So for example, let's say I want to access this 6. So now what is this 6, where is this 6? So obviously this first list will be having an index 0, this will be having index 1, and this will be having index 3. So let's see first what we get, the length of matrix, right? So if you see, matrix length is 3. Now for it does not matter that the element is a list or not, but it is, there are only 3 elements. So we have index from 0, 1 and 2. So if I say matrix 1, I will get access to this list. Okay, and now you see, if I check the length of this, so which is again 3, right? So it is now giving the length of that inside list. And obviously now if I want to, if I there is 3 index, so it is 0, 1 and 2, right? Okay, are you getting it? No, right? Okay, let me see if that. Okay, so simple, right guys? It is first 0th index will be this, and then first index will be this, and second index will be this. So with first index I have got access to this list. Now this list is, I'm trying to in this list I'm trying to access the third element, which is going to be 2. So this is how I can access 6. Okay, so that is how we can access any element of the list. So the first index, so this is how, so the syntax will be syntax would be, first we will say the list name, then outer index, then inner index. Okay, so that's how we can access the any variable or any element or any value within the list. That's all in this video. See you in another video.